All right, there you guys have it. Now you can see my hair with the cut, how much fuller and healthier that it looks. Oh God, it feels so much better. It gives it a little bit of life back. Look how much healthier it looks on the bottom. All three of these products, guys, are in our styling trio, and it is an amazing, amazing trio. Your hair will thank you for it. They work so well in your hair to prolong the life, prevent damage, and have it looking and feeling its best. If you guys have any questions about this, if you guys feel my split end pain, leave a comment below. You know, go check out the styling trio. You guys are gonna absolutely love that kit for your hair. If you want to win a split end trio, go to this link, nvennhairbeauty.com/giveaway. You can enter to win a free trio and we'll ship it right to your door. If you guys have any videos that you guys want to see, as always, leave a comment below. Let us know. We'll make sure to shoot them for you. Other than that, guys, we believe here at Nvenn Hair and Beauty that we can change the world through hair and beauty. So it's more than just hair, and we believe that this is an expression of who you are. So always remember to be who you want to be, live the way you want to live, and set an example for people, because that inspires people to be who they want to be. Okay, so hit that subscribe button, guys. We will see you guys next Friday. Bye.